Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It is May 4th at 8:33 p.m. and this is Forex trading analysis for May 5th, 2011. Cinco de Mayo. Okay. Just a reminder, this is my blog by 9 a.m. Eastern. If there are any updates, I will have them on there, and triggers are good for the session only that I'm discussing. So this is good until Thursday, May 5th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So the euro continuing to go sideways here, just utter frustration. But the good news is there was no trigger and stop out because we avoided this one. So we already had that twice this week. So waiting to see if this bad boy tips its hand. Here's the Aussie dollar. Okay, the Aussie dollar headed for that moving average. So watching that to see if it comes in as support. The yen was on the list for Wednesday, but it did not trigger, so it is now canceled. Okay, it did not trigger, and it is now canceled. Here's the Swissy, dollar Swiss, and still outside of its Keltner channel, but doji on Wednesday. Maybe that'll lead to a bounce, but the last doji didn't, and the last doji didn't, and the last doji didn't. Gotta be patient with this one, okay? That's my opinion, at least, and that's how the video will be looking at it, to be very patient, because the longer it stays outside of that Keltner, in my opinion, the tighter the rubber band gets wound. So if it does manage to get back inside, there should be a continuation pattern. Here is the euro British pound cross, nothing here after this big move. It's digesting. Here is the pound, and looks like the pound wants to test its moving average here. That's the 20-day moving average. Here is the pound kiwi, which the video took part in. It was a really nice trade. You could see from here there's no candlesticks or anything. Ah, there we go. Okay, so the entry was 732. Stop was 632. 35 pip gain came quickly. Half was off plus 100, and then the second half we were looking for plus 400. Didn't quite come just yet, but stops a break even now, and want to see if this can get some acceleration to the upside here or stop out for a scratch on the second half. Okay, nothing new for triggers for Thursday. We have the job numbers due out on Friday, so I don't expect much action on Thursday, and then there could be some fireworks after the job numbers. This one we passed on, and you could see it would have been a fake out break to the upside and then a stop out. Okay, let's look at the pound Swiss. The pound Swiss, okay, looks like it's just digesting the big candle down it had on Tuesday. The Loonie Swiss we're looking at, and once again outside the Keltner channel here. Wait and see on this one. Here is the Kiwi Loonie, the New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and looks like this one is forming, okay, looks like this one is forming a range here. So let's see how this one sets up. And then finally Aussie Loonie, and looks like it's continuing to pull in here. May actually offer an opportunity to the upside. So we'll keep our eye on this one. That's it. Talk to everybody again with Friday's update tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Thursday.